Welcome to the Builder's Risk Outlook. As we close 2023 and begin preparing for 2024, one word continues to come to mind: uncertainty. We're seeing it everywhere, from permits and starts to multifamily housing and interest rates. Yet we feel construction is more resilient than current headlines and economic data suggest. In September, new home sales rose roughly 12%. This shift can largely be attributed to builders offering price discounts and mortgage rate buydowns. In fact, the National Association of Home Builders reported that 62% of builders have recently offered a sales incentive, a trend that we last saw in December of 2022. The new home sales increase in September is the largest monthly jump in over a year, putting the month at 30% higher than last year's annual pace. A sharp increase in mortgage rates will test this trend, as well as the ability of builders to sustain incentives. Builders are also reporting that as rates rise, prospective buyer traffic has begun to fall off. The housing market index fell back to 26 in October, yet it is still higher than the low of 20 we saw in December of 2022. Though builder confidence slightly decreased, single-family home permits have increased for 8 consecutive months, which is a direct indicator of the start of new home building. So demand is still strong for new construction. With the rise of new home sales, the supply of available inventory is less than 10 months. Existing inventory is even less at 3 months. With mortgage rates above 7%, many folks are reluctant to walk away from their current low mortgage rates, many of which are under 4%. On top of that, multifamily construction has declined. Permits fell 14% in September, which is the lowest activity since October of 2020. While this is drastic compared to single-family home projects, we believe it is mostly due to the numerous multifamily projects now becoming available after delays because of COVID. As these units come into the market, we will see the impact on rental rates, occupancy levels, and so on. We do expect a quick uptick to take place. With all that said, demand remains the highest driver of construction. More millennials who've surpassed baby boomers and now represent the largest generational cohort are entering their prime home buying years. All indicators show this cohort values single-family home ownership and is likely to stretch a budget to make it happen. While the headlines profess uncertainty, we feel that demand will continue to outpace the headwinds and single-family starts will increase in both 2024 and 2025. Multifamily may shrink, but not enough to materially impact meeting that demand. See you next time.